Let us start the practical maintenance of Bosch single pump. First, we need to check the resistance. The correct range is 0.15 to 1.7 ohms. At the same time, we need to check the insulation of the electronic coil. The specific operation is to use the probes of a multimeter. Connect the single pump terminals and single pump shell respectively. The resistance measured by the multimeter should be infinite. Resistance exceeds standard, or if the solenoid coil is short-circuited to the single pump casing, the solenoid coil assembly needs to be replaced. First, fix the single pump on the clamp. Loosen the 4 fastening screws. Remove the solenoid coil assembly. Remove the rear cover. Remove the air clearance adjustment block. Remove the armature fixing nut. Take out the armature. Take out the spring seat. Remove spring. Remove the spring seat. Remove the valve core. Valve core travel stopper and sealing ring. At this point, we have completed the disassembly of the main components of the Bosch electronically controlled single pump. We need to carefully check whether each high pressure sealing surface is severely worn, and damaged parts need to be replaced.